All right, good Wednesday morning, West Texas. I'm Meteorologist Jeremiah Stewart coming at you with your weather headlines. Not too shabby for today. We do have a small chance for some isolated showers to continue. Not more than a 10 to maybe a 20% coverage if that, but it's still going to be hot. Forecasting highs into the middle to upper 90s. Steamy by the weekend, and I think by this weekend, we could have just enough heat kind of combined with just enough humidity. That could warrant some heat advisories or excessive heat warnings for the weekend. It looks like we could see that continue as we go into much of next week. Before then, though, here's at 5:30 this afternoon. You can see this small flare-up of some showers and some heavier downpours right near the Presidio, Marfa, and Alpine area into the Big Bend region for this evening. Those start to die out. We're left behind with just some clouds early on Thursday morning. And Thursday afternoon, it looks like we'll try to redo this same scenario once again near Fort Stockton, Marfa, and off towards the Davis Mountains and into the Guadalupe Mountains possibly as we go into Thursday evening. Notice the Big Country and the Contra Valley are going to be fairly quiet as we go throughout the next couple of days, but can't rule out about a 10 to 20% coverage for some of those showers in the Permian Basin. By this weekend, we're all looking hot and dry under mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Highs into the middle to upper 90s, right around 97 on Saturday and about 94 on Sunday, thanks to some added cloud coverage as we go into Sunday afternoon. Here's Sunday at 6 o'clock. You can see high pressure right over Louisiana and Texas. That's going to shut down any rain chances across our part of the state, although we could see some shower and storm activity this weekend in association with some trouble brewing in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Has a very small chance to become Tropical Storm Dexter, but at this point, not expecting any impacts here in West Texas from that system. For today, though, it's looking hot, right around 94 into Midland. With those showers, could struggle to get out of the 80s in places like Fort Davis and Alpine, right on 89 down towards Marathon. About 98 into Abilene is what I'm going for today, 97 on Monday, and in San Angelo, right around 95 degrees with heat indices, right around 100 to about 103, so just below that heat advisory threshold of 105, but still going to be hot nonetheless as we head out the door for this afternoon. Tonight, right around 75, a light breeze out of the south at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. In my weather impact 7-day forecast, small chance for some of these showers this afternoon through this evening. After that, for San Angelo and Abilene, we're looking hot and dry through the weekend and into much of next week. Right around 96 as we go into this upcoming Sunday in Abilene, about 93 in San Angelo by the time we get into Sunday. And in Midland and Odessa, 98 tomorrow, 99 on Friday, and we'll stick with those middle to upper 90s as we go throughout much of next week.